vegan chili con carne. That's spicy.
Soak the soy mince in cold water for 20 minutes. Drain it and brown it in hot oil for 10 minutes. Transfer it to a bowl and in the same pan, warm up a little bit more oil. When hot, add the onions and cook them for 5 minutes. Add garlic, chili, oregano and dried spices. Add a couple of tablespoons of water and mix. Now add back to the pan the soy mince, together with the coffee, stock cube, chocolate, tomato puree, bay leaves and beans. Pour over enough boiling water to cover with a lid and don't forget salt and leave it to cook for about 25 minutes. Top with coriander or chives and enjoy.